Is about the GIS, how to make a GIS network, city gas distribution network in GIS map. If you have not watched my video, please do watch my previous video to understand what I want to tell in this video. Okay, so I will show you how to create network in ARC GIS map. Okay, so the GIS map is opening. These are my previous activity that I have done. My previous activity, previous project that I have created. Okay, so let's say when you want to open a new project, you would cancel this one. Okay, and then go to the file, new option, blank map, click on the blank map. Okay, so the blank map is created. Go to the file, go to the ARC GIS online. Okay, so let's you will draw your network on a Google map. Okay, so first of all you want to add a layer in the table of content, a layer of Google map. Okay, so you will search simply Google map. It is freely available in GIS only. Google map, simple. Google map, street map, any other thing you can write it down. Base map, Google map. Okay, so click over this one. Okay, double click, open. So could not open a specified file. Just a second. Let's try the another one. Google map. Some are actually payable, so you can't use those things. So Google little layer, open. Yeah, this one is opening. Wait for a second to load it down. Yeah, so you will see the base map. Okay, you will see the base map. So I'm from India, so obviously I will talk about India. Okay, so my favorite city, Dehradun, Uttaranchal, we have done my studies, and one of my favorite city, Dehradun. So you can zoom it down as you have zoomed in the Google map. Zoom the city. Okay, this is the Dehradun city. It is showing Dehradun. Yeah, Dehradun. Okay, it's Dehradun city. So this is the city. So now you want to do the project. Now you want to establish, or you want to lay the gas pipeline in the Dehradun city. If you are aware that in this ninth round, GAIL gas got the authorization of Dehradun city. So let's say the GAIL wants to lay the gas pipeline in Dehradun city. So what will be the process of that? So in the city gas distribution network, we will try to lay the line, try to cover the city in a circular manner, so that if there is leakage in a particular section of line, we can transfer the gas by the other end by closing that particular section. So only that section will be closed off. The remaining section of the circle will get the gas pipeline. Okay, so that is the other part, and that we will not discuss in this video. So let's move. So now we want to create the network. Okay, so let's go to the catalog. First save this one. Okay, save as. First save this thing. Let's say write it down, Dehradun city. Save your project first of all. Okay, save it. Yeah, now it is saved as Dehradun. Okay, now what is catalog box? In this catalog box, you will add the layer. Okay, the new legend, the new layer you want to create, you will go to the catalog box, and this folder will appear. It is like a browse folder. So you will select in which folder you want to create your shape fields or the legends. So select, you can go to the D drive, the specific folder. I have selected the D drive Office Autodesk. In this folder I have saved my all my other shape field. So I will save my shape field here of this Dehradun city. So right click on this folder, go to the new option. Okay, go to the shape file option. Let's say I want to do a pipeline. So pipeline can be shown with the help of a single line. Okay, a line. So I will select the polyline option. Okay, then go to the edit option. This here I will select the coordinate. This is the coordinate. I have already selected as a favorite, so that's why I'm able to see this coordinate easily. However, you can add the coordinate of as per your choice. You can search it down. I've already selected as a favorite this WGS1984 web marketer coordinate. So I'm selecting this. Select this coordinate. It is there. You will see the selected coordinate. Okay. Select OK. Okay. And write down the name. Sorry, write down the name before doing everything. Pipeline. PIPELIN. Sorry. Write down the name. Okay. Pipeline, polyline, the coordinate, and then click OK. After clicking over, you will see the shape field has appeared, and the same layer is also appeared in the table of content. Okay. So let's click this pipeline project. Right click, properties. Okay. In this field, in this box, you will add the column appear in the attribute table. So all those columns that you want to add in the attribute table, or the column by which you want to differentiate the other sub pipeline layers. Let's say because in this pipeline there are many types of pipeline. There are steel pipeline, MDP pipeline. In the steel pipeline there are 125 mm pipeline, 90 mm pipeline, all those pipelines. Similarly for MDP, 32 mm, 63 mm pipeline. So you want to differentiate it with the help of different colors, different width size. So for that differentiation you have to show here what kind of differentiation, which parameter you want to differentiate all those things. So that thing you have to add in this row, and any other information you want to add in the attribute table, like the material of the pipeline, the thickness of the pipeline, all those things you can add down here. Okay, so let's say I write down the diameter. Okay, diameter. Okay, then thickness. Then I can write down the date of installation. Date of installation. Okay, these are not the text, these are the long integers. Integer. Date of installation is also right. Take it as a date. Take it as a date. On the name of manufacturer, the name of contractor. Contractor is the one who laid the pipeline. Okay, name of contractor. So we'll write down that will be the text. Okay, any other remarks you will add it down. So you cannot add it down as many rows, and these rows will come as a column when we go to the attribute table of pipeline. Okay, so let's click OK text and click, let's say OK. What the following field name are? Oh, you can actually you can only enter a certain number of character in this column, so that's why it is showing the error. So we click it yes, and when we go to the attribute table, you will see all those column over here. Okay, the column that we have added in the shape field, the column that we have added in the shape field will appear in the attribute table. So moving on, now we'll go to the this table of content. We'll go to the edit features. No, the properties. We'll go to the properties. Then we will go to the categories. We'll go to the so how you want to differentiate the within the pipeline, like like I want to differentiate with the material or with the diameter. So in this case I will take the diameter and I will click apply and okay, and then click this one, edit features, define new feature. Okay, so let's say we will make the we will cover the road with the help of the ring road. We will cover the city in a circle with steel pipeline. Okay, steel pipeline. Next, finish. Another box where a new feature type was successfully added, that steel pipeline is added. Would you like to define another type of feature? So do you want to add the another pipeline? Then if you want to add, then click yes. So let's say the another type of MDP 125 mm. 125 mm. Next, finish. So would you like to define another type of yes, MDP, or say MDP 63 mm. Next, and finish. Okay, so if you want to add another or other type of pipeline, let's say MDP 32 mm pipeline, that also you can add it. Okay, so if you don't want to add another more pipeline, you can select no. Okay, so how to draw these pipeline? Okay, how to draw this pipeline in this Google map? Okay, so first of all we will go to the road, on which road you want to lay the steel pipeline. So sorry for my slow computer, just a second. This Prabhas cinema area. Okay, you will see this. You can remove all those label, all those things by just clicking on this. So let's say I want to hide this and I want to lay the pipeline in this road, in this cloudy road. Okay, let's say I want to lay this pipeline over here. So I will zoom it up. It is loading. Let's see, it is loading. Just wait. Yeah. So again, yeah. So go to this one. Go to the select the layer that you want to create. Go to edit feature, start editing. Okay, start editing. Now after selecting this, go to the editor, edit windows, create features, and you will see the you can select whichever pipeline you want to add. Let's say you want to add the steel pipeline. Okay, steel pipeline with the help of line, select the line, and then you can draw the pipeline over here. Okay, select it. So let's say if you want to change the color, or if you want to change the width of the pipeline. Okay, so you can change it. I will show you afterwards. And so let's see, I have drawn the line like this. Just a second. Yeah, I will continue on making the line. You can end it up by clicking the right click, finish the sketch. So this is the steel line that you want. Now if you want to change the color for steel pipeline, you can also change it up by going to the properties. Yeah, steel pipeline. Let's say you can search the symbol whichever you want to select for pipeline. No, there is no symbol of a pipeline. You can add it also, but let's say I've selected this symbol. increase the width, you can change the color, select the color, you can increase or decrease the width, just select it, okay. So when you click this one, similarly you can make 63 MDP pipeline. So select this part, you can similarly you can show the 60 next sketch. Okay, so so white is showing blue because blue is actually showing the selected area. We have selected the you are working on this line, so that's why it is showing blue. However, the original color is something different. I think it's yellow. Okay, so finish sketch. Okay, so by this way you can draw the network of this whole city. Okay, now let's say you want to add a isolation wall over there. Okay, so you can just go to the catalog box, go to this part, create a new shape file, write down the isolation wall over here, and that isolation wall can be shown at a point. So with feature type, you will select feature type as point. Don't forget to select the coordinate system, and same coordinate system should be used throughout the network. Okay, you can't change the coordinate system. Okay, click it, okay, click okay. Okay, so this isolation wall will be okay. Okay, one more thing, don't forget this, how you want to differentiate the isolation point. So with the help of dimension, where you want to use it, for the 125 pipeline, or 200 pipeline, or 93 pipeline, and what kind of material is that? A steel material, is there a plastic material? So there are many ways you can differentiate the isolation wall. Okay, so let's say with the help of diameter I want to differentiate it. Okay, so that will be an integer, and you can add any other thing like the manufacturer name. You can add the welder name also, life cycle, and you can add the other things like the serial number of the wall number, and other things can also be written down on or other things can also be added in the column. Okay, so click apply. Yeah, same thing. You can't actually there is a limit of characters, so you can write as much long column you want. Okay, so let's say click OK, then click OK, and you will see the isolation wall will come over here. Okay, then go to the properties, go to the categories. So how you want to differentiate between the isolation wall? You want to differentiate with the help of diameter. Okay, go to the diameter and click apply. Okay, now go to again right click, go to the edit feature, define new feature for steel isolation ball wall that will be installed on the steam pipeline. So for this one you can change the symbol also. Let's say you want to show the black symbol, you can search the symbol. There are many other types of symbols, and you can search the symbol. Let's say you want to black symbol, you want to change the color. Let's say you want to use the yellow color, you want to change the size, you can change the size also, and you click okay. So as a yellow color as steel isolation ball whatever, next and finish. So this yellow isolation wall legend is created. Now if you want to add the other isolation wall, you can select yes, change the symbol. Let's say I want to use the green symbol. You can change the color, you can change the width as much you want. Okay, then you can click OK, write down the name MDPE wall, then next, then finish. Okay, you can further keep on creating the as much isolation wall you want. I don't want to create more ones, so I will click no. So now go to the steel isolation wall. Now you go to this one, start edit feature, start editing. Already start editing is there, so you can go to this one, editing features, create features. Okay, now from here you can again select, as you have selected for the pipeline, you can select the wall you want to show. Okay, so for steel pipeline, the red steel pipeline, you want to install the isolation wall, you can install it like wherever you want, like here you want to install it, so it is shown here. Okay, similarly, if you want to install the wall on the MDP pipeline, so you can select this one, point, and over here. Okay, so we'll show how. So now you see how these wall are installed over this one, over the pipeline. Okay, so similarly you can draw the network. You can draw as much as the pipeline you want. You can draw the isolation wall. You can draw the industrial customer, the domestic customer, the petrol pump, the CNG pump that are under your company, and the other important parameters you can also edit in this network. Okay, similarly, if you want to, let's say, I will show you, let's say you want to, suppose that this is an industry, suppose this is an industry, I don't know whether it is an industry or not, and you want to show it as an industry. So what you can do, you will cancel it, I can just close it up, go to the catalog box, new, shapefile, industry, and let's say you want to show it as a polygon. Go to the polygon, go to the edit, select the coordinate, click OK, then again go to the properties, differentiate it by, let's say you want to differentiate by the small or big industry. Okay, industry text, okay, or the product that is produced by the industry, the contact person, and the contact let's say contact person, or write down the potential of the industry, how much SCM of gas it per day is utilized by the industry. That also you can show it. We use the integer and click apply. Okay. So now the shape field created, shape field here also. Okay. Properties, categories, st type. Let's say write down, well, let's divide the industry in 3 parts: large scale, okay, next, finish. Then yes, small, medium scale, okay, next, finish. And then small scale. Different color are automatically shown in this. Okay, this one. So 3 types of now you can keep on adding the type if you want to add. So I think 3 are sufficient for me. So click no. Okay, now again go to the editor, go to the edit window, create attribute table, select the industry. Let's say I want to mention it as a large scale. I will select the large scale. I will go to the polygon type, and there are many things. You can select it as a circle. You can make the ellipse also. You can make freehand drawing also. So in this I will take it as a polygon, like this one, this one. You will see how this polygon is creating. See the, and then you click finish sketch. Okay, so you can, this way you can highlight the large scale industry. Okay, now you want to scale the medium scale industry. Select this medium scale over here also, polygon. Let's suppose you want to show it like this. Simple. Finish scale, the medium scale industry. Now I want to small scale industry, polygon. So this is small scale industry. So you can differentiate all those things. Now you can zoom out. I want to show you one more thing. Zoom out this. So we have created the assertion valve 2, the green and yellow, the steel pipeline, the MDP pipeline, the 3 industry. Now when you go to the attribute table, you will see these 3 things, and you will see the column that you have created in the shape field. Okay, so you can write down the product, you can write down the name of that industry also. I have not added the column. You can add one more column regarding the name. Let's say go to the catalog box, industry properties, name. Okay, there's some problem over there. I don't know what is the problem. Okay, the problem is including data. So when you open the attribute table of this one, open attribute table, so you will see the, you can select from here whichever pipeline you want to select. Okay, so in the similar way you can make the whole network that I have described in my previous video. Okay, thank you, and thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot.